Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to talk about the billing section of your ChatHQ portal. To get to this page, you're going to go to settings over here on the left-hand side and then click on billing and you will see this page here. So in the billing section, you can view your account details, including your plan type and billing details, manage your payment methods, or add a payment method to upgrade your plan. So here in this first section, you can see your ChatHQ portal account, the plan type. So here I am under the agency plan. You can see your status. So you can see that I have an active plan here. And then you can see the customer ID as well as the subscription ID. Below that, you're going to see when the next invoice is going to be sent out and how much that invoice is going to be sent for. To see more details of this, you can click on this details option here. And then this is going to open up your ChatHQ payment portal and you can update your plan in this section here and you can see all of your payment information, billing information, as well as invoice history. Going back into our ChatHQ portal, you can update your payment method by clicking on this manage option here. And then below that, you will see your additional subscriptions. So after you upgrade your account, you'll be able to see any active subscriptions that you have in your account. So that is it for the billing section of your ChatHQ portal, and we'll see you in the next video.